students. Good morning students. Today we are going to start with our last chapter, that is exponents and powers. And this is again a very interesting chapter where you will learn how to write the numbers in different way. Good morning students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, exponents and powers. This is your chapter number 13 and it is going to be the last chapter for your final term. Now here, this is special category of numbers which are called as the exponents. If I have a number, if I write 32, this is your whole number. It's an integer, it's a rational number. Now how to express this in as exponential form? First write the prime factors of this number. So it is going to be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So these are the prime factors. Now what I will do, instead of writing 2 5 times, I will write 2 raised to the power 5. Okay, how to read it? 2 raised to the power 5. This 2 is called the base and 5 is the exponent or index. Is that clear? So we can write any rational number. A is a rational number and if its power is n, so means A multiplied by A multiplied by A. It is always the product n times, we don't know what is n. Whatever, if n is 2, A multiplied by A. If n is 6, A multiplied by 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 A. Okay. Now this base, as I told you, base is a rational number. Base is a rational number. So it can be positive, it can be negative. Is that clear? As base is rational number, so it can be positive or it can be negative. If I write minus 7 raised to the power 3, minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is 343. Now see how many times this negative sign is there. 3 times. So my answer is going to be negative. But minus 2 raised to the power 4. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 16. How many times the negative sign is? 4 times. So my answer is positive. Clear? So when this power is odd, odd power and base is negative, answer is going to be negative. And when even power and base negative, answer is equal to positive. Multiplication you have to do as per the number, but positive and negative, when you will get the positive answer and when you will get the negative answer, this you have to see. Now if the question comes, write the given number in exponential form. Okay, write the given number or express the given number in the exponential form. Then what you are going to do, suppose the number is 432. You have to express this in exponential form. So write the prime factors, 2 2s, 2 1 6, 2 1 0 8, 2 5 4, 2 2 7, 3 9, 3 3, and then 3 1. Okay, so you have written the prime factors for this. Now this 432 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that's it. Okay. Now how many times 2 is there? 4. So power is 4. 3, how many times is 3? So this is the exponential form of 432. That is 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. So in this manner you are going to write the given number in exponential form. Clear? Now if I say express a given number as I say 32, express this as a base 2 number. So write the prime factors, divide it with only 2. So 2 raised to the power 5 is expression of 32 as base 2. Clear? Now exponential form or power notation is one and the same thing. Power notation means when we are writing a number in the form of powers. This exponent is also called power. Exponential form, power notation, they are the same thing. As we have written 432 in exponential form, so this can be called as par notation because these are the pars, base and par, base and exponent, base, index. Okay. Now here if this type of question comes, 9 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 9, which one is greater? Just see the power. When such type of combination is there, reversed, vice versa. Base, power. Now the same power will become now base and the base will become power. Only exception is with 2 raised to the power 2 and 3 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 2. Here as we see, we have written base 2. The smaller base is bigger because the power is bigger. Here the base is smaller, power is bigger, but this answer is going to be 8 and this is 9. So here only this, till here there is an exception. Here even with 2 raised to the power 2 and 3 raised to the that is going to be equal if I go by this way. So starting from here, then 3 raised to the power 4 and 4 raised to the power 3, this one is going to be bigger. Okay, so only exception is with this, so be careful with this. So rest is your first exercise where I have explained each and everything. Whether the numbers are, if I write 32 upon 25, express this in the power notation. So 32 as we have done is 2 raised to the power 5 and 25 is 5 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this is the power notation. Clear? So this is regarding your first exercise of 13th chapter, exponents and powers.